almost rode smack bang into these zebras. A few of them were standing like right here, busy grazing off of this tree. And as I came through, I looked up. Ah, there's a whole lot of zebras. Why are you guys fighting? What's wrong? Why are you helping? Why the long face, dude? Donkeys in pajamas. And up top there in the distance, I can't zoom in anymore, but directly above this one's head here in the middle of the picture, there's two sables lying in the grass. The grass isn't that long there. So now I've got to convince these two or three to get out of my way. But anyway, let's go.